Hello.
Hello.
Hi. How do I pronounce your name? Is it Sassy?
Yes, my name is Ceci. What is
Sassy.
your name?
My name is Niffy and I'm from the United Kingdom. And where are you from, Sassy?
I am from India.
Aha, okay. And how is life in India with you today, Sassy?
It's going very well. Thank you for asking.
Okay, and what brings you to Cambly? Why do you use Cambly?
To improve my English, especially speaking English
Okay.
and pronunciation.
Okay, so it's spoken English and pronunciation that you particularly
Yes.
need help with.
Yes.
Okay. And may I ask what your job is or your subject if you're a student?
Yeah, I am a housemaker. I got married and also have a baby girl.
Okay, so you're a homemaker.
Yes, I am a homemaker. I don't have any job, any work now. I work only at my home
But
to
this,
take
Sassy,
care of my family.
yeah, this job as homemaker is the most important job in the world.
Yes, yes,
What do you
taking
think?
care of my family and my baby.
Oh, how old is your baby?
She's 2 years old baby now. She get 3 in 11th of this month.
Aha, she's almost 3. Aha. Okay.
What you say? What you
She's
say?
almost 3. She's
Yes,
almost 3.
yes.
Aha.
I am getting pronouns very well. I am getting pronunciation.
Yeah. So I speak a sort of standard English.
Okay.
So I don't have an accent. I don't have a strong accent. So I speak a sort of average English, Sassy.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I know about you?
Ask me questions.
Yeah. You are doing any work or doing what is your profession?
Okay. I'm a writer and a teacher. So
What you write?
novels.
Novels.
Novels. So I have written 4 novels. Two are published in America, but 2 I need to find a publisher, Sassy. Do you know any publishers?
No, not. Okay. Which novels are you published in USA? Can I know that names?
I'm not allowed to say. The reason why, Sassy, is when I joined Cambly, I signed a contract. I signed a contract that I wouldn't try and sell my work or do anything like that.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, so I signed a contract. Yeah, so I have 2 jobs, 2 part-time jobs. But tell me about your day, your routine, Sassy. What do you do as soon as you wake up?
Yeah, what is the time there now?
Now it's almost 5 o'clock.
Almost 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's early morning or
No,
evening?
in the evening. In the evening.
In the evening.
Yeah.
It is 9:30 around. It is the night.
9:30 at night.
Yes, 9:30 at night.
Very good. 9:30. I'm putting all of this in the chat box as we speak, Sassy. So after the lesson, you can read the vocabulary. So 9:30 at night. Yeah, good. Okay. So what do you do when you wake up in the morning?
Yes, I will tell you. Let me tell you. Okay. When I wake up today, I work my family. I prepare for tiffin, breakfast for my family, and also I read newspaper.
Oh.
Yes, then I work for my family like that, washing clothes and preparing food. I feed to my baby.
Oh.
Yes, and also I practicing English. Yes, grammar.
And
Like
how do you practice your English grammar?
grammar, it is where you use do, did, does, like this. I get some confusion in do, did, does.
Okay.
You can use do at starting question. How do you ask like that?
So you can ask if you go to a market, and you can say to them, do you have any apples today? Do.
Do. Where and it's mean it's question mark. I mean question. You ask in do.
So you mean so when you use a question mark, when you ask a question,
it's past tense of or future or present.
Okay.
Which when you use do.
Okay, you use do when it's the present now. So we are at the market, and I am the market seller, and I want you to ask me if I have got any carrots. Can you ask me?
Do you have any carrots or chocolates?
I do. I have carrots, and they are very good today. They're big ones and fresh.
Yeah.
And what sort of chocolate would you like? Do you like milk chocolate or dark chocolate?
I like milk chocolates. My baby likes very well dark chocolates.
So would you like one of each or just milk chocolate?
Milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate.
Do you want what you ask?
I asked you, would you like one of each? So if I ask you this, would you like one of each? You said to me that you like milk chocolate and your baby, she likes dark chocolate. So when you told me that, Sassy, I said, would you like one of each? A dark one and a milk one.
Milk one.
A milk. Milk chocolate. Okay. So carrots and milk chocolate. Anything else?
Yes.
Would you like anything else? Would you like to buy anything else?
No.
No. It's enough. Okay. Do you have a bag?
Yes.
Here you are then.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Okay. So you've got carrots and chocolate. So you are learning grammar with a textbook?
No. I see in YouTube. Yeah. And also like small books.
Okay. So what sort of
did when you use did for past tense?
yeah.
Yeah. Did you have what you had? Where it is have or had?
So did you have a good day? Did you have
Okay.
a good day? Did you have a good day? You can ask your husband when he comes home. Open the door. Hello, darling. Mwah. Give him a kiss. And did you have a good day? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. And you can also ask, did you go shopping today? He can ask you, did you go shopping today, Sassy? Yes, I did. I went to the market and bought carrots and chocolate.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Does. Where is does?
Does.
Where
Okay.
you does?
Okay, this is in the present.
Okay.
So you can say, does, if you're talking to a friend about your
Okay.
husband, so you're
Okay.
talking to a friend about your husband, you can say, does he have sugar in his coffee?
It's mean third person.
Yep.
You can use about third person.
Yeah.
You can use this.
Does. Yeah. Does he have sugar in his coffee? And you can say to your friend, does your
Okay.
mother have a nap in the afternoon?
Oh. Nap means it gets sleep.
Yes, a nap. Well done. Yeah, a nap. This is a little sleep. A little sleep. Yeah, yeah. Okay, very good. Okay.
Yeah.
So, when you do your grammar and you watch YouTube videos,
Yes. And also I am using some books. It's second, third class textbooks. Yeah. I teach English to children here. I have students here,
Ooh.
like small children below 10 years. I teach them English. English is very easy to speak. My mother tongue is Telugu.
Telugu.
It's local language, Telugu.
Okay.
But yes, Lugu, Telugu.
Lugu. So Telgu. Is that right? Telgu?
Yes, Telugu. It's 6.
Telu.
Ugu.
So how do you pronounce that, Sassy?
Telugu.
Telugu.
Yes, Telugu.
Where do you come from in India? Where are you from?
I am from south part in India. I am from Andhra Pradesh state.
Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, Andhra Pradesh.
All right. Okay. I will have to improve my Indian geography.
Okay.
So how old?
You have been in India? You have been in India?
No, I want to go to Kerala.
Oh, why?
I have been told it's very beautiful.
Yes, they have a lot of coconut trees.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I also have dream to go Kerala. My husband promised me when you got married, he went to. I mean, he want to go both of in Kerala. but it's not possible.
Oh. And what does your
Now,
husband do? What's his job?
yeah, he is doing faster here.
Sorry?
Pastor, we have church.
Oh, he's the pastor. Aha.
Yes,
So are you a
yes,
Christian?
yes, I am a Christian.
Oh, so interesting. My goodness. Oh, that's a big job.
Yeah, so we don't have any time go outside.
I understand. Now I understand. This is a very important job for the community.
Yes.
Okay. So how is your husband managing to do his job during coronavirus?
Yes, we don't have any prayers because corona is spreading around. Yeah, we're conducting prayers. Everyone sit by separate distance. They maintain gap. They must wear mask and sanitize their hands.
Yeah.
Like that.
Okay. Saucy.
He thinks using only one mic.
Okay.
He can.
So how many people can sit safely inside the church?
Yes, safely it is. In maintain some gap. It's 2 meters gap. They will sit around 60 members.
Wow, it's a big church.
Yes, they have any distance. They not maintain any distance. All are sit around 200 members in church.
Wow, that's a huge church.
Yes, it's long. I think it's big church.
Yeah. So we can say when we talk about big and it's a building, we can say huge.
Huge. Yes, huge church. And also my home is upper side of church. What church is below? My house is upper.
Oh, your house is above the church.
Yes, my home.
Above the church. Oh, interesting.
Yes, above the church.
So when you hear the people singing, if you have your window open, this sound comes into your house.
Yes. Yes.
All right. And what is?
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. I want to go now.
Okay. Take care. Be safe. Bye bye.
Have a nice
Bye bye.
Bye.